Good afternoon and welcome to day 385 here at the St. Clair County EMA office. I'm joined today with Director Herb Simmons from the Emergency Management Agency and Chairman Kern. We will get right into the numbers. In St. Clair County, we've tested 315,754, which is an increase of 1,009 since yesterday. Positive test results are 29,441, which is an increase of 30, and those are males and females from their teens up to the 90s. Our daily county positivity rate is 3.0%. For negative test results, we're at 286,313. We're happy to report that we are adding no new additional COVID-19 related deaths today, so that number does remain at 472. For those that have completed their 10-day isolation period, we're at 28,640. For state totals, they've tested 20,499,802. Positive test results are 1,251,346, and that is an increase of 3,235 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did announce 24 new COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 21,349. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 24 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and one of those patients is on a ventilator. Regionally, there are 53 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 4 of those patients are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities, we have no changes to announce today. We want to remind everyone that testing is still so vitally important. Testing is available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at the St. Clair Square location from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., and also at the various CVS pharmacies, Walgreens, and other Medical Express facilities throughout the county. One last note to make here is that the mass vaccination site will be closed this Sunday for Easter, so we will resume operations there on Monday morning. I will now turn it over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Thanks, Brian. You talk about testing. It's really important. We see the news reports today that Illinois is starting to have some spiking again, and the numbers are going up. Luckily, St. Clair County's numbers continue to go down today, which is a good thing. But people have to be vigilant, especially with the holiday weekend. Wear their mask. But if you think you've been exposed, get tested. This virus has not changed. It still can be transmitted, and you may not even know that you have it. So testing is still important. We got to get through May. Once we get through May, I think we're going to be much better off. But until that point, let's all hang together. I know they've now delayed the full opening at least until May 1st, and we had been hoping to have a county board meeting in April, but it looks like we're going to be limited on what we can do in April, all because these numbers are starting to spike again.
Yeah, they're seeing both an increase in new daily cases and also hospitalizations up in northern Illinois in Region 1, and then also spreading over into the Cook County area. So the last thing we want to see is those to continue to push south as it has done in the past. So we got to remember everybody still needs to get that vaccine. I think St. Clair County being so far ahead in the vaccine administration is really helping us keep those variant strains out of our county, but it's not time to give up.
And where can people check to see the counties that have moved into the warning status?
On the IDPH website, there's a section on the side that says county level metrics, and when you click on that, you can see all of the new counties. Every Friday they update that, so all the new counties that went into warning status today.
Okay, thank you, Brian.
No
I
problem.
appreciate it. You're always right on top of this, and we appreciate your doing that and staying on top of it. Okay, let's take a look at the zip code report today. 62201 up 1 to 584. 62203 up 2 to 626. 62204 up 2 to 402. 62206 up 1 to 1,312. 62207 up 1 to 591. 62208 up 3 to 1,653. 62220 up 1 to 2,110. 62221 up 3 to 2,812. 62223 up 1 to 1,778. 62226 up 3 to 3,241. 62232 up 1 to 913. 62239 up 1 to 481. 62257 up 2 to 346. 62258 up 1 to 1,072. 62269 up 1 to 3,309. And 62282 up 1 to 67. 30 new positives today in St. Clair County. 1,009 people got tested. We're happy for that number. That brings our daily county positivity down today to 3%. The rolling average then goes down also to 3.3%. And the regional positivity today is also down to 3.2%. So good job, Team St. Clair. As to the region, Bond County called in at 0% today. Clinton, 0.9%. Madison, 4%. Monroe, 2.7%. Randolph, 1%. St. Clair County, 0.9%. And Washington County, 1.8%. Herb, the hospitalization's 24 today. We've dated that number for a few days. That's a fairly low number for us, so we just got to continue to head downward and remember that if people are traveling to some of these other counties where they're seeing an issue with the positivity rate rising, just wash your hands, watch the social distance, wear your masks. If you haven't been vaccinated, you have to be especially careful.
Well, and it's simple. If you're tired of what we've been living for the last 385 days, then we've got to continue on the path that we are, and that's doing all of that. It's funny, we talk about the testing before we went on the air this afternoon. Channel 4 had called, they're doing that story on the lack of testing being done. Back in January, we were averaging about 1,400 tests a day, and now we're down to around 800 and something a day. And that's a little concerning because of the spikes that we're seeing up in the northern part of the state. As Brian said, I don't want to wish anything bad on anybody, but the southern part of the state, I think it's because of the aggressiveness that we've done on getting the vaccine out there that is helping with that. But still remember, if you feel ill, go get tested at the mall Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, 8 to 4. It's free. And or if you've been exposed, you definitely need to get tested. And
there's still a lot of other places to go. Walgreens,
yes.
The normal urgent cares, you can get tested at those places too. Get tested, that is the bottom line. And
Right.
Get a vaccine, that's the other bottom line.
Still have plenty of capacity at the mass vaccination site. Before we went on, talked to Mila. They're down there today putting needles in the arms. If you haven't decided to get your shot, or if you don't know how to do it, just go on our site. It's easy to do to schedule your own appointment. There's appointments opened up for the next several days. As Brian said, we will be closed on Easter. And but after that, it'd be full force down there. Mila told me, said, send them on down. We're here waiting for them. And so please spread the word, Team St. Clair. We appreciate everything you do. And we will be back here tomorrow for day 386. So everybody have a good evening.
I have battled this virus both professionally and personally. Professionally, I can tell you firsthand that it's greatly impacted our community, caused the loss of many lives, and continues to spread today. Personally, I can tell you that I contracted COVID-19, and it definitely is not the flu. This virus affects everyone differently, however, many have severe consequences. Please take this time to help your friends, your family, your neighbors, and the entire region by wearing a mask, washing your hands, and watching your distance. Together, we will overcome this invisible enemy.